Let me take this across now to Kumar Kunal for all the latest updates in the investigation front. So Kumar, a lot of the farmer leaders now who are under the scanner who face trouble because there are FIRs registered against them. Just tell us, what are the charges they face based on this FIR?
See, there are serious charges against at least 18 of the farmer leaders who are supposed to lead the protest, and they have given written undertaking for a peaceful protest on 26 January. But what has happened on the roads of Delhi, that is there to see for all, and that's why some serious allegations like mowing down under the tractor, like hitting policemen, and even attempt to murder charges are being put against the farmer leaders and several unidentified farmers who led the protest that day and who reached even Red Fort and ITO, and a certain kind of vandalism and protest which turned into a violent protest that has happened on that particular day. So there are serious charges, and at least two of the leaders have been served notice. Darshan Pal Singh, who was at Singhu border, he has been served notice by Delhi police, and what he has been told in that notice that why no action should be taken against him, why no legal action should be taken against him, and he has to reply within the 3 days. So all these things are happening right now. Even police is investigating role of other leaders, Deep Singhu, and one of the most prominent leader who was seen at the ramparts of Red Fort that day. So all this investigation is also going on. Simultaneously, the filing of FIR has also took place since yesterday.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.